Pumped up. What does it really mean? Hey there, language enthusiasts. Today we're going to dive deep into a fun and energetic phrase in the English language, pumped up. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. Originally, the term pumped up had a literal connotation. Just think of a bicycle tire. When it's flat, you use a pump to fill it with air. As you pump more air into it, the tire becomes firmer and more robust. In this sense, pumped up means to fill something with air or energy. Over time, like many words and phrases in English, pumped up took on a figurative meaning. When someone says they are pumped up, they generally don't mean that they are filled with air. Instead, it implies they are excited, enthusiastic, or prepared for something. For instance, if someone says, "I'm pumped up for the concert tonight," they mean they are really looking forward to it and are full of energy and excitement about it. 1. Sports and fitness. Before a big game or a workout session, someone might say, "I'm pumped up." This means they are energized and ready to give their best performance. 2. Events and gatherings. If there's a party or some significant event approaching, expressing your excitement by saying, "I'm pumped up for the party," is quite common. 3. Challenges. Facing a challenging task or a new venture, you might hear someone say, "I'm pumped up to take on this challenge," emphasizing their readiness and enthusiasm. The phrase, pumped up, also has a few variations you might hear. 1. Pumped. Simply shortening it to pumped retains the same meaning. E.g., "I'm pumped for the weekend." 2. Amped up. This is another phrase that's synonymous with pumped up. It also conveys a sense of excitement or enthusiasm. E.g., "She's amped up about her new project." So, the next time you're filled with energy, excitement, or enthusiasm about something, you know what to say. You're pumped up. We hope this explainer helps you understand and use this fun phrase with confidence. Until next time, keep learning and stay pumped.